Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MyEnergi for smart home EV charging, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your MyEnergi account credentials ready. Open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for the MyEnergi login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login section. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, proceed to the password field. Type your password carefully. Double-check both entries to ensure they are correct. After confirming your details, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your MyEnergi dashboard. In case you forgot your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it and follow the instructions to reset your password. If you encounter any issues, make sure your internet connection is stable. Retry logging in if necessary. Once logged in, you'll have access to all your smart home EV charging features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the different options available to optimize your EV charging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.